Hi, what I want to show you today is a condiment box from Royal Catering. You'll commonly see one of these behind a bar, in a restaurant, in a pub, or in a bistro or cafe. And I prefer to use it in the kitchen as well, because you can organize your workflow a lot better. So what you do is basically you put your garnishes, whatever you need on hand the whole time in front of you in a really nice organized manner, so it's on hand while you need it. So the base is made of stainless steel, then you have a plastic cover which is see-through, which is really great because during service, if you don't need it the whole time, you just pop the cover and you protect your garnishes from all the dust, debris and insects, of course. After service, you just drop the cover, drop the lid and put it in a fridge just for the next day's service. Stainless steel makes it really easy now to clean and maintain. The inserts, in this case 6 of them, you can take out. Of course you can pop it in a dishwasher as well. Just make sure you dry it properly afterwards when you put them back. And that's about it. If you're looking for a condiment box, just have a look at the website because there's a whole range of these devices in different configurations inside, so you'll definitely find the one that you need for your business. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, and if you happen to order one of them, they will come in a really crafty box just like this one with some packaging material in it, so it will stay safe on its whole journey to your place. All right, so if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.